KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, August 23rd. I'm James Spann. An unsettled weather pattern setting up for the state through early next week. That means a chance at some beneficial rain for many places over the next 5 days. Let's talk about things. Here's the upper air look. This is at 500 millibars, 18,000 feet off the ground or so. Notice how the shades of yellow are dropping farther to the south. That means the winds aloft are getting a bit stronger, the air aloft a bit colder, which makes it more unstable. We're in the 70s to start the day, highs 87 to 90 in most spots this afternoon. Pretty quiet morning around the nation. That's the watch warning map. There's a flash flood watch out around Tulsa and Fort Smith. North of the state, some fog issues in Tennessee. Chance of severe weather today for parts of the western high plains and the middle Atlantic coast region. No organized severe storms are expected here, but storms will be forming this afternoon and tonight. This is tomorrow, and this is day 3 Sunday. A couple of marginal risks north and west of here, and again, we're solidly in the green. In fact, the weekend could be wet at times. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west stays dry with a ridge. The southeastern states pretty wet. Haven't seen a map like this in a while. This is suggesting rain amounts between 2 and 4 inches for much of the state through the next 7 days. And again, for a state that's getting pretty dry, we'll sure take that. Tropical weather. Little wave that's not too far from Miami and dissipating Chantal that's out in the middle of nowhere. This thing is a tropical depression and will be a remnant low by tonight, most likely. No threat to land. This is the wave that's in the Atlantic just southeast of Miami, and the Hurricane Center is watching this carefully. They are now suggesting this has a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days, and you can see they do believe this will be kind of sideswiping the southeast United States coast. Modeling is in good agreement with that idea. There's always one outlier that brings it up to Pensacola, but most all the models take it on out into the Atlantic after providing some rain for parts of the Florida Peninsula, and then it stays offshore. But we believe that will be no impact for the state of Alabama or the Gulf. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 06C run, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Kind of hard to tell on this graphic, but the height's a little lower today. Air aloft a little colder, air a little more unstable, so we're expecting numerous showers and storms this afternoon and tonight. Still, it won't rain everywhere. High school football tonight, I would take the rain gear. Not going to rain at every stadium, but there could be a few lightning delays. Highs today, 87 to 90. Best chance of storms after 12 noon. Tomorrow and Sunday. For the weekend, mostly cloudy with a good chance of showers and thunderstorms both days. Highs in the mid-80s with only a limited amount of sun. Most of the rain between noon and midnight. However, we can't rule out the chance of a late night or morning shower. And still, the rain distribution is going to be uneven. But we'll have a chance at getting some good rains in here. And Monday next week stays wet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Really the same thing on Tuesday. So you could see between now and Tuesday a really good crack at getting some beneficial rain. Wednesday, the weather begins to trend drier for the northern half of the state. Here's Thursday. Much of North Alabama looking dry. And this is a week from today, Friday the 30th, troughing to the north. And again, any showers look to be pretty widely spaced. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, September 1st, first day of meteorological fall. Upper high over the southwestern states, a little trough north and west of here, and that suggests we could see some rain on that day if this verifies. Here's a QPF off the GFS ensemble for Birmingham. Look at that mean, ramping up to almost 5 inches over the next 15 days. That's some beneficial rain if this all verifies. And really, the 90s are just kind of gone after a while. We might see low 90s in spots today, but most days highs in the 80s for a while into early September, and We get down in the 60s toward the end of next week as the air becomes drier. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.